Hi, I'm Justin Eimers. Welcome to Glass Doctor.
Glass Doctor is located on the corner of 4th and Benson in Sioux Falls, east of the airport.
Here at Glass Doctor, we do all things glass, whether it's residential, commercial, or auto glass. We can take care of everything and those needs. People just want to have the open feel. They don't want it to feel so closed off. And so a lot of people are thinking glass, and glass is inviting, and it's rich, and it's clean. And I think people just enjoy it. I just love coming to work. I have a great staff, and our customers, we just seem to wow them. And when we do, it just makes our whole team smile and just want to be here and keep doing what we're doing. Our team means a lot to me. Our team is family here. We're really tight-knit. We keep in good communications. We pride on professionalism and go into the home and take care of our customer.
Now that you know what Glass Doctor is all about, let's go to their showroom to see what they can do for you.
Welcome to our showroom. Here we're going to show you different options for your home, auto, and business. When you enter the Glass Doctor showroom, you're going to see a variety of different glass options. I really enjoy customers walking through the front door in our showroom and just seeing their facial expression, because of all the different options we can show them here, whether it's custom shower doors, mirrors on the walls, our glass stair treads, our glass handrail, even our waiting room is surrounded with glass. We also offer custom glass desk mats, which you'll see our staff rolling around on. And they can be made any size you may need for your house and or your office. When customers come in, it's really fun to work with them. You know, nowadays with this Pinterest and Houzz, they're able to show us what they want or maybe some ideas they're thinking about.
When you bring your ideas to Glass Doctor, they'll share their thoughts and then help you come up with the best solution.
There's a lot of homes in this area that have just one single pane of glass that needs to be replaced in the house. Or if you're in your house or business and you're looking through the window and it's cloudy, it's probably a failed insulated window. We do that as well. With that, we can just replace the glass, not the frame. Glass Doctor is known for the custom glass shop without the custom price. We can provide any fit or finish and do it within your budget. You should choose Glass Doctor because we do all things glass. No matter what situation you're in, we can take care of it.
Now let's check out some projects where Glass Doctor made a clear difference.
Here we are on the south side of Sioux Falls, a project we just completed. Here at this project, Glass Doctor had done numerous different things. We put in custom mirrors to fit the size of the openings. We've done custom showers throughout the house, just like the one we're standing by right now. This shower next to me is really large, so it makes it really unique on how we have to get the glass in here and get it in position. A shower like this, you're not gonna just be able to buy at a box store. A lot of things are custom. What is really fun is we get to go out there and make the shower fit the opening. It's not every time we have a shower this size and we gotta try to fit it in the house and get it in the bathroom, and this one was that challenge. We have another project that we just finished up with. House was built quite a few years ago, so it was kind of old school. So with that, we had to pull the glass back out. We only had to change out one panel to make it fit. So we got to reuse a lot of the old glass. We put more contemporary hardware back into it, a matte black, square handles. And it really turned out great. It's crazy the transformation that shower took. And it didn't break the bank. And he got this new looking shower that people would want today. If there's one thing you want to remember about Glass Doctor, we do all things glass. We make it easy for you to contact us. It's either by phone, by email, and or just stop into our showroom. So please think Glass Doctor and give us a call.